Got a water source heat pump acting funky. Let's look up here. Ourselves a Climate Master. So, fast flashing green, 2 flashes red. Look at that. That brings us to high pressure fault. This thing's going off on high head pressure and it's a heat pump, then we should probably get eyes on that blower. It's the blower chamber. Ooh. Ow. Gotcha. So without a working blower motor, this thing has no way to reject the heat from the high side of its system, which in this case, in the case of a heat pump, that's effectively just blowing heat into the space. So I've already sourced the part, we'll get it ordered, and in the meantime, button this up and we'll leave her off at the disconnect to avoid undue stress on the compressor anymore that's already been done. So thanks for watching, guys.